Dear student, it was very good initiative by the Newland and he designed it as Newland's octave rule. He was the first scientist who tried to just make it in periodic way to classify the elements. Let me show you the Newland's octave rule statement now. So, dear student, what this law states? Newland's law of octave rule states that when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic weight, what he did? He arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic weight or atomic mass. And the interesting thing was every first element and eighth element. You can start number 1 from anywhere, it's your choice. So, every first and eighth element had similar property, and whenever property repeats, we call it with different name periodicity. What is periodicity? When after certain interval of time, when chemical property matches or property matches, we say that periodicity occurred. I will shoot a separate video about periodicity, don't worry about that. So, what happened here? The first element and eighth element had same property. He found, he arranged the element in such a way, but of course, he failed to arrange all the elements in this way. That is why this rule has some demerits also. And one more thing is, his theory, his rule is based on the classical music notes. So, for that, let me introduce you a new table now. Dear student, see this chart. In the left side, notes of musical scale. As you know, in our Indian classical music, that is sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So, in same way, in Western music, it is do re mi fa sol la ti do. So, what the important thing here is, can you see the very first and very last, either in Indian or in Western, the sa and eighth also sa. So, it is matching. In the same way, what Newland did, he arranged his element. Okay, let us talk about the Western also. Do, do, okay. The first one is do and the last one is also do. So, first and eighth is matching. In the same way, what he did, he arranged the elements. So, can you see H, L, I, B, E, B, C, N, O, okay. So, H is the first and F, just down to the H, that is F, fluorine. So, H and F, first and eighth. So, hydrogen and fluorine property is same. Now, you can talk about lithium and sodium, they have same property, because if you start number 1 from lithium, then your number 8 will be sodium. So, lithium and sodium will have same property. Again, beryllium, if you start number 1 from beryllium, then magnesium has and beryllium both have same property. So, his rule was based on this musical note of sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, or in the Western music if we say, that is do re mi fa sol la ti do. I hope you understood how he arranged the elements. He arranged the elements in increasing order of the atomic weight, where the first element and eighth element had same property. This is what the Newland octave rule is. I hope you understood the video. Thank you.